January CPI inflation has come in at 2.75%, and I have my colleague Shrimi also joining us to get a sense of what these numbers mean. But remember, viewers, this is a major revision of the Consumer Price Index series that has been released, and this is not just a change to the RBI's inflation targeting framework, but a significant update to how CPI is calculated. Shrimi.
Yeah, clearly, the India has finally rolled out the new CPI series, and this is historical in a way because this is actually reflecting the India's economic reality and how actually the Indians, you and me, spending over the past decade, and that is the reflection we are clearly seeing on the headline inflation number, which has somewhere higher due to the revised rate. And as we know, I've been reporting about that how the CPI inflation basket has been expanded by at least 25%, where we have seen items going up to around 350 items from earlier 300 items. So that's important, and this includes all your new parameters, new numbers in terms of your airfare, in terms of your Vahan data to GST registration data, e-commerce, your OTT platform, online marketing, everything has this new series, and that's why it is important, because it's showing how actually the economic trends going on and has changed over the period of last 10 years, how your consumption patterns change over the past 10 years. And this is also essential because in this particular CPI series, it's talking about, the heavyweights items like food, which is one of the important heavyweight, has been reduced to somewhere around 36% from earlier 45% points. So that is important and clearly reflecting in your food number data as well in the January numbers. And if you see the CPI series, the new CPI series, it has both rural and your urban price track involved in that, and around 1400 each has been given to this new series. I have, just to mention, and this is very important, that if you see in 2025, the India's inflation averaged at 2.2%, and this is mainly on the fact that it has been lowest in last 12 years. So this is coming at 2.75 is crucial, given the point that this is coming, inflation is now within, your RBI range, which is 4% inflation target. So that's essential, and it's also somewhere means that how the CPI overhaul is going to move ahead, and excluding all those antique items from your basket like your radios and horse cart fare, and making space for your new items, the digital and digitized India, essentially your OTT and online market, etc. So very, very crucial number, because this is going to set the trend for how the inflation will be going forward in 2026.